welcome back. So today I have another DIY for you. Yes! So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created these beautiful DIYs, just keep on watching. I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree vase that I picked up today. I'm also going to be going in with my extra fine glitter as well as my jumbo glitter. Now I'm going to be taking this brooch that I picked up from Walmart. I'm going to be using this necklace from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using these bowls from the Dollar Tree. Okay, for my last DIY, I'm going to be taking this lid sign from the Dollar Tree. That is all that I have today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.